welcome to this channel. This video series will be on Taiwan, which is often called Asia's hidden gem. I will get to show you all the sights in the beautiful country of Taiwan.
In addition, I will be sharing tips and recommendations that hopefully you will find useful in planning your own trip. The airport was pretty busy when we landed in the early morning, and we grabbed our bags, got through customs, and decided to check out the local food in the airport.
The airport is actually located in Taoyuan City, and it takes 35 minutes to reach central Taipei. The train comes every 15 minutes, so it's pretty convenient. There were other options, however this train line seemed to be the cheapest, most convenient, and the fastest. We managed to find a really great Airbnb location, so it was literally located across the street. Also, if you haven't tried Airbnb, I would definitely recommend it. It's a great way to see unique accommodations around the world, and you can try it for yourself by clicking on the link below and getting $55 credit for your first stay. And no, this video is not sponsored by Airbnb.
Every now and then the worst we can make's the best we can. And everything is better because I'm with all my friends. If I never told you that I wanna hold you, that I wanna hold you, I just wish it was over. If I never told you that I wanna hold you, that I wanna hold you, I wish it was over by now. 'Cause you're coming over to my house. You're coming over.
The first thing we did after unpacking our bags was head to the Chiang Shek Memorial Hall. Using the underground subway, it's only 5 minutes away on the Tamsui-Xinyi line. Chiang Kai-shek is the former president of the Republic of China. His supporters credit him with unifying the nation and resisting Japanese forces in World War II. Something I found interesting is actually it's not uncommon for Chinese to change their names throughout their life. At birth, they are given what is called a small name. In school, they choose or they are given what is called a big name. And in adulthood, they often choose what is called a courtesy name. For Chiang Kai-shek, his courtesy name was Cheng, and that is the name he is often referred to throughout Taiwan. Many public places in Taiwan have this name in honor of him. From there, we walked 20 minutes to the Huashan 1914 Creative Park. Originally, the complex was constructed as a Japanese sake winery. However, it was abandoned for 15 years until the government revitalized the area and it was reopened as what it is today. This is a space where artists, vendors, and theater groups get to showcase their talent. And there were even English presentations going on. after that, we were super hungry from walking, so we met up with a couple local friends to go try some street food at the Shilin night market. I was told that the night market is actually built around a popular temple. As vendors set up shop to sell foods to temple visitors, it just grew and grew from there. And this might not be a surprise to many other people, but the food was really sanitary and I didn't get any bad stomach. In addition to the actual night market that serves food, there are many storefronts around the area and an indoor spot for games. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment down below with any questions you have or what you liked from this video. In the next episode, I'll be showing you Old Chiang Tunnel, which is a rail line that goes underneath the mountain but has been converted to a tourist bike path. Also, I'll be showing you Jofen, which is something I've been wanting to see for a long time. It is the place that has inspired Hayao Miyazaki's film Spirited Away. And also, I'll get to show you inside the popular tea house. So be sure to subscribe for that episode and more videos in this series. See you next time! Look, it's boba! Isn't this awesome? You have the boba in here, and then you have the carry bag. When I saw this, I'm like, I need this in my life.